Hey guys, this is Sean at Traffic Jams, Gadsden, Alabama. Just kind of giving you guys an update where we're at on the Bourbon. We have pretty much the box is all built. The baffles are done. Everything is built except for the back wall. Michael is we're filling in all of the screw heads. We countersunk all the screws and we're filling in the screw heads to slick everything out. Ooh, the hair is crazy this morning. But that's where we're at right now. He is actually sanding all of the filling that we've got going on. So just wanted to let everybody know where we were at. It's kind of as you can kind of tell, everything's double walled, double wall top, double wall bottom, double wall backside of the baffle, and there's a quad baffle. There is metal poles for bracing. The firing wall has 3 layers on it, and the front port side has 5 on it. So it ought to be, plus on top of that, it's a 2x4 structure built into the vehicle that everything's all tied into. So she's very, very solid, very, very beefy, and she's gonna take a whole lot of pressure. So 20K on 418s coming soon. Just checking in, just kind of giving everybody an update of where we're at. That's where we're at, Traffic Jams, Alabama. That's where we're at. Just touching base, letting you guys see it. Give us a call if you need anything. Thanks.